Welcome back to Auto Drive Show, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting cars on the planet. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars in the world, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car has always been a benchmark for performance, luxury, and sheer driving excitement, and the latest model pushes the limits even further. From the moment you see the 911 Turbo S, its presence is undeniable. The sleek aerodynamic body, the widened rear fenders, and the signature Porsche headlights all signal a car built for speed and precision. Porsche has refined every line, giving it a more aggressive stance while maintaining the timeless 911 silhouette that enthusiasts have loved for decades. Pop the door open, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with functionality. High-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and the latest Porsche infotainment system make this car a true driver's haven. Every control is perfectly positioned, ensuring you stay focused on what matters most, the drive. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, ideal for high-speed cornering or a long road trip under the hood. The 2026 911 Turbo S packs a twin-turbo 3.8-liter flat-six engine, producing an astonishing 650 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 2.6 seconds. The top speed exceeds 205 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest 911 Turbo S models ever produced. Driving 911 Turbo S is a pure adrenaline rush. The steering is sharp and precise, giving you complete confidence in every turn. The adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions in real time, balancing comfort and performance seamlessly. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or accelerating down the highway, this car feels like an extension of your own instincts. One of the standout features of the new 911 Turbo S is the advanced technology packed into this masterpiece. Porsche's latest stability management, active aerodynamics, and torque vectoring ensure that every ounce of power is delivered efficiently and safely. The drive assist features are intuitive, allowing you to enjoy performance without compromising safety. It's a car that's thrilling, yet surprisingly practical for daily driving. The sound of the Turbo S is nothing short of mesmerizing. The exhaust note growls as you accelerate, evolving into a roar that turns heads wherever you go. It's a reminder that this isn't just a car, it's an experience, a machine designed to evoke emotion with every press of the pedal. Inside, the 911 Turbo S also offers modern conveniences like wireless charging, a premium audio system, and customizable digital displays. Technology meets tradition in a way that only Porsche can achieve, giving you the perfect blend of modern luxury and classic sports car feel. When it comes to handling, the 2026 911 Turbo S sets a new standard. The rear axle steering, dynamic chassis control, and lightweight construction make it incredibly agile, while the powerful brakes give you complete control even at high speeds. This is a car that doesn't just perform on paper, it delivers an unparalleled driving experience that is immediately felt behind the wheel. But the 911 Turbo S isn't just about speed, it's about precision, style, and the pure joy of driving. Porsche has taken everything that made the previous models great and elevated it, creating a vehicle that is as beautiful as it is powerful. The attention to detail, the seamless integration of technology, and the heart-pounding performance make it a true masterpiece. For anyone who loves driving, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S is more than a car, it's a statement. It's the pinnacle of automotive engineering, combining speed, luxury, and innovation in one irresistible package. From the way it looks to the way it feels on the road, this car delivers an experience that is simply unmatched. Thank you for joining us on Auto Drive Show for this in-depth look at the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest car reviews and automotive news. We'll see you next time with another exciting ride.